This is your local weather update with the North Alabama Weather Watch team and Chief Forecaster Nicholas Driver.
Good and wonderful Saturday evening, folks. Thank you for tuning in here at the North Alabama WX Watch team. We sure do hope you have had a great Saturday, and we hope you have a great, wonderful rest of the weekend. But we're going to go ahead and take a look at your forecast for the rest of tonight and what you can expect for the rest of the weekend. Starting out tonight, we're going to be extremely mild with temperatures in the upper 60s and the lower 70s tonight. Now, staying clear early, but a few developing thunderstorms will be possible later on tonight, mainly in the early morning hours of Sunday. But those dew points staying in the mid-50s will help us stay extremely nice, not too hot, and not too warm. Winds gusting from the south-southwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour will also help keep us pretty cool and, again, pretty mild for your Saturday evening. So if you got any plans, give or take, go ahead and enjoy those plans later on tonight. And we sure do hope you enjoy the rest of your Saturday evening. Take a look at your your pinpoint Doppler radar. Again, staying high and dry with just a little bit of noise showing up here on the radar, but it's going to be, again, a beautiful Saturday ahead. Now taking a look at your Sunday. It's going to be extremely warm and extremely muggy out there with a high of 87 degrees and dew points staying in those lower 70s. Winds will be gusting around west-northwest 5 to 10 miles per hour. So a light breeze at that. So when you're waking up Sunday for a church service, early morning church service, it is going to be mild and warm by then. And by the afternoon, it's just going to get worse. With a few scattered thunderstorms that may be severe. We are in a level 1 out of 5 risk. And we do have a talk about of upgrading that to a level 2 out of 5 risk due to that possible chance of these storms becoming stronger later this evening. As always, don't be scared, be prepared. Let's talk this down and see what you can expect for your Sunday. Day 2 outlook, or the Day 2 SPC outlook, we do again have a level 1 out of 5 risk for all of North Alabama. We can or could expect that slight risk to be added later tonight going into the early morning hours of Sunday if things go the way we think they are. But right now, we're staying at that level 1 out of risk. Regardless of that, stay weather aware as this is still a risk. Taking a look at your severe weather threats, our hail risk is going to be in the lower medium range. It's going to be really mainly for small hail that can be expected up to about 1, possibly touching that 2-inch in size, can and might be expected throughout the Sunday afternoon hours there. Wind gusts around 50 to 60 miles per hour can be expected with some of the stronger storms, maybe touching that 70 mile per hour range. And 1 or 2 tornadoes cannot be ruled out tomorrow, as well as localized flooding mainly can be expected out throughout the region for your Sunday. Here's your hour by hour again, starting out at 5 a.m. for your Sunday morning. 71, fairly mild with partly cloudy conditions. A few pop-up showers and storms can be expected throughout the region, but it's going to be on that low end. By the 12 p.m. hour frame, as you're exiting church and getting ready to go for lunch here, you're going to be at that lower 70 range with scattered rains and thunderstorms in the region possible. It won't be a total washout, but a few of us can expect a few stronger storms and some rain, unfortunately. By your 4 p.m. hour frame, that rain will move out and we'll be left with temperatures mildly in the lower 80s and mostly cloudy conditions. And later that evening, we can expect more storms to move in. Let's break that down on our future forecast here. So starting out tonight at the 10 p.m. hour frame and 11 p.m. hour frame, staying dry. And going on to the 3 a.m. hour frame, we will see a few scattered rain showers start to move in. That is on the lower end, and a few of our areas towards the shoals can see a little bit of some stronger storms and some scattered rain at that. Taking a look at your forecast for the region, or the rest of the... Let me see if this is... All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at your rest of the weekend and your extended forecast. Sunday, again, we are expected to see those stronger storms with a high of 87, and the rest of your work week is looking great with a high of 80 throughout the whole week except for your Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday will be at a high of 89, and Thursday a high of 93. A nice week is ahead with mostly sunny conditions. That being said, if you do plan to be outside, be sure to take plenty of breaks and drink plenty of water. But for now, that's going to be it for our weather forecast at the North Alabama WX Watch team. Thank you for tuning in here, and we sure do hope you have a wonderful rest of your Saturday evening, and we will see you tomorrow.